This video will go through the data management aspect of the LEXIS portal. The LEXIS solution is based on iRoads and EUDAT components and federates infrastructures at different data centers. LEXIS is committed to the FAIR data principles and provides its users the possibility to manage their data through a user-friendly interface. I will start by logging in into the LEXIS portal. On the top left, I will click on the dataset icon. In the meantime, the LEXIS portal will contact the LEXIS data backend to fetch the available datasets. As we can see here, these are the available datasets for our user. The project column shows to which project the data belongs to. The access column shows the type of access the dataset belongs to. So for example, all the datasets here are under the project access level, which means that all users belonging to the demo project have access to these datasets. We also have the user access type, and in this case only the user can see the dataset, and the public access type, which means all LEXIS users from all projects can see these datasets. We also have some information such as the publication year and the creator of the dataset. I will go through one example dataset, and as we can see here, there are more information about the dataset, such as the dataset owner and the dataset size. The user can request the size of the dataset by clicking on Check Size of Dataset. In the meantime, the size is being calculated by the backend, and as we can see here, the size is available for the user. If we click on Advanced, we see more information about the dataset, such as the DDI identifier and datasite identifier if available. We also see information on the resource types and their origin. If we go further down, we see the persistent identifier of the dataset, and this identifier is a globally unique identifier. If we go up, the user has the possibility to update the metadata of the dataset by clicking on Update Dataset Metadata. And for example, I will add an extra creator to this dataset. And I will click on Save to save my changes. If we go back to Advanced, there are two options to download the dataset through the LEXIS portal. The first option is to download the dataset directly through the portal, and this is recommended for small to medium-sized datasets, and through Grid FTP, and this is recommended for very large datasets. To download the dataset through the portal, I will click on the Advanced Handling, and I will click on Download the dataset in zip format. In the meantime, the portal will fetch the dataset from the data backend and prepare it for download. Once the process is done, the user can click here to save to disk, and the dataset will be downloaded to the user's laptop. If I go to download, I would see that the dataset has been downloaded successfully. Thank you for watching this video.